So in section 4.4, matching equations and graphs, we're going to look at example 1. Bruce, Monica, and Sari participate in a 5-kilometer walk for charity. Each student has a different plan to raise money from his or her sponsors. The following graphs show how the amount of money a sponsor owes is related to the distance walked. We're going to match each graph with its equation, and the three equations are m equals 4d, m equals 2d plus 3, and m equals d plus 5. So we're going to look at Sari's graph first of all. So what we're going to do is we're going to find some points on the line, and we're going to look at what happens when Sari walks a certain distance. When she walks 0 kilometers, she gets $0. If she walks 1 kilometer, we can read from the graph that she gets $4. If she walks 2 kilometers, we read from the graph that she gets $8. 3 kilometers gives her $12, and 4 kilometers gives her a total of 16. We can see that the table of values, she starts at 0 and she goes up $4 each time. That means we can write her equation as the amount of money she collects is equal to 4 times the distance she travels, because it goes up $4 each time and it starts at 0. Let's look at what happens to Monica's graph now. Again, we're going to look and see what happens when she goes 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 kilometers. At 0 kilometers, Some Kind Soul is still going to give her $3. At 1 kilometer, she's collecting $5. At 2 kilometers, she's collecting $7. At 3 kilometers, she gets $9. And at 4 kilometers, she gets $11. We can see here that she's going up by $2 each time. And this time she starts at 3. So we can write her equation as m equals 2d plus 3. The last one we have to look at is easy now because we figured out the others, but let's still look at Bruce's the same way. Let's figure out using the table of values and the graph. So again, we're going to look at what happens for 0 to 4 kilometers distance walked. At 0 kilometers, Bruce gets $5 from his sponsor. At 1, he gets 6. At 2 kilometers, he gets $7. At 3 kilometers, he gets $8. And at 4 kilometers, he gets $9. This time, the amount is going up by $1 each time, and he starts at 5. So the equation for Bruce and how he's going to collect his money is going to be equal to 1d, or just d, plus 5, because he starts at 5.